obviously really excited to be at Duquesne and excited for this opportunity. I think we do have great potential here at Duquesne with the facilities, the commitment financially and from the student body to really support our program in the Atlantic 10. I said, right now we're looking to establish who we are and what we're going to be. I think it's something we're doing on a daily basis right now. Whenever there's a change, there's always an adjustment period, and we're trying to establish our philosophy, and really the focus every day is just to get better every single day, make a run at this conference tournament, get to the Barclays Center, and make a run at this tournament. I think as a coach, as a head coach, I've been doing this for a long time, so whenever you get a really young group, it really brings you back to your roots of coaching and the purity of coaching. And that's what we have right now. We got a lot of new players, and even the guys that have experience, it's still new because it's transitioned to a different coaching staff, a different philosophy, a different style of play. So every day we take little steps, and I think that's what we have to focus on, is just keep getting better every single day to get ourselves prepared for the conference, to make a run at the conference tournament, to be a part here in the Barclays Center. Well, this is special, a little bit special for me because I just spent 10 years about 2 blocks down the road here at Long Island University. So I saw the inception of this facility and watched it go up beam by beam. So actually have an opportunity to be a part of this here, to play in the Barclays Center, it's special. I think it's great for our conference, it's great for the Atlantic 10, it's great for downtown Brooklyn to get basketball back, and I think it's going to be an exciting event. I saw firsthand what good basketball can do for a community like Brooklyn. And I know the people of Brooklyn are really excited to have the Atlantic 10 here. It's always been the Big East at Madison Square Garden, so now it's the Atlantic 10 at the Barclays Center. So we're going to go at it, and I think everybody's really going to enjoy it. The conference is great, and it's just gotten better and better each year. It's been one of the stronger conferences in this country. Now it's become one of the elite basketball conferences in this country. Great programs, great players, great coaches. Now the addition of Butler and VCU just make it better. Obviously it's a multiple bid league. It's a multiple postseason league, and it's going to keep getting better. And we're really excited to be a part of it. And I think this is what you want at a place like Duquesne or anybody else in our conference. You want to play against the best every night, and we're really excited to be a part of this.